Hello everyone, back again to the second video of Part of Speech. For today we're going to talk about pronouns. For any one of you that has already ever heard of pronouns before, pronoun is the other word that you use to address somebody else or something else. And then for today, there are 5 types of pronouns that we're going to discuss, which are subject pronouns, object pronouns, possessive adjectives, possessive pronouns, and also reflexive pronouns. For the subject pronouns, as you can see on your screen, there are a lot of categories that are listed. For example, first person, second person, third person, and the third thing. All of them are singular. And then first person, second person, and third person plural. So the singular and plural here is really matter because it's going to identify the person that you are talking about. If I may read you the subject pronouns, those are I, you, he, she, it, we, you, and they. Feel free to set the speed into 0.5 or 0.75 if you think that we are talking too fast. And then the sentences using subject pronouns are, I think it looks wonderful. I think it looks wonderful. The subject pronoun is I. You are my best friend. You are my best friend. She is really pretty. She is really pretty. They helped me yesterday. They helped me yesterday. So from these examples, the subject pronouns are I, you, she, and they. The second type of pronouns is the object pronouns. Object pronouns are usually placed at the end of a sentence because it is acted as an object in the sentence. It usually plays after a verb or after a predicate. The object pronouns are me, you, him, her, it, us, you, and them. So if you hear someone says, you and me are going to school tomorrow, that would be wrong. It should be you and I, because me is supposed to be placed at the end of a sentence after a verb or predicate. Take a look at the examples. Please pass me the salt. Please pass me the salt. I give it to you, not him. I give it to you, not him. When did you meet them? When did you meet them? And she never tells us anything. She never tells us anything. The object pronouns are me, you, him, them, and us. The third type of pronoun is possessive adjectives. As you can see from the examples, possessive adjectives are my, your, his, her, its, our, your, and their. Usually these words are followed by a noun or anything else. To put it into examples, the first one is, this is my favorite sweater. If you turn it into a question, it would be, whose favorite sweater is this? The answer would be, my favorite sweater. I love her new dress. Whose new dress? Her new dress. Isn't that our brother? Isn't that our brother? And their new dog is super cute. Their new dog is super cute. So the possessive adjectives are my, her, our, and their. The next one is possessive pronouns. It's a little bit tricky because both possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns are using the same word, which is possessive. But the one thing that you have to be paying attention of is they have different role and function. For possessive pronouns, as you can see from the examples, the words are mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, yours, and theirs. These particular words are usually placed at the end of a sentence. For further info, let's take a look at these examples. That lovely car is going to be mine. That lovely car is going to be mine. If we turn it into possessive adjectives, it would be, that lovely car is my car. So it would be different. Isn't that yours? Isn't that yours? Those hamburgers are theirs. Those hamburgers are theirs. And your painting is better than ours. Your painting is better than ours. Okay, and this is the last pronoun that we're going to discuss, which is reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns are quite easy to identify because it ended with the same word and words, which are self and selves. Self is used for the singular subject or singular doer, and meanwhile selves is used for plural words. For example, I made this spaghetti myself. I made this spaghetti myself. We should love ourselves. We should love ourselves. They saw no one but themselves. They saw no one but themselves. He talked to himself. He talked to himself. So the reflexive pronouns are myself, ourselves, themselves, and himself. We have come to the end of the video. Feel free to contact us by leaving a comment on the comment section down below or reach us through the Instagram or our WhatsApp number. You can check them in the description box. And until next video, we hope you get the best of luck and bye-bye!